video to show you how to remove the seat of 2003 Ram. Cómo remover un asiento de una Ram 2003. Es fácil, nomás tiene 4 tornillos, 2 aquí y ya sale. It only has 4 nuts you gotta remove, 2 here and 2 here, and that's it. So we're gonna remove it from the bottom, and that's it. See? It has 2, one here, another one here, and that's how you remove it. You don't need to unplug anything or anything. You don't gotta remove the whole bottom because you don't want to deal with this or with this. Es fácil de quitar, nomás son 4 tuercas que tiene, una aquí, allá y allá. No tienes que estar lidiando con esto porque eso es dolor de cabeza. Y ya sale, ni siquiera hay cables que desconectar. Ram 2003.